Baby. Give me a screen, baby. There we go. What's up, and welcome to the Wednesday night stream. Thank you so much for joining us. We're going to try to get a dubs tonight, and hopefully you guys had an awesome day. Of course, if this is your first time joining us, like, follow, share, subscribe. Like, follow, share, subscribe. All right? Will you do that for me? I hope that you will. Whatever platform you're joining us on, I really appreciate it. Now it's just a matter of getting everybody up in here. Ooh, shit, boy. Oh, you're going down, my dude. Oh, you got so lucky. Yep, tagged you. Don't do it again. Don't do it again.
How could you not headshot?
Exactly. The only thing sticking up is his hair and his stupid head. See, yo, jokey ass. Yep. All right, I got one downed over here on the right-hand side, or on the left-hand side. So they just don't understand. They just don't understand. All right, we got him on top of a train. All right, I got one down on train on this side. And he was shooting at somebody at the other end of train, bro. Okay, he killed himself? Yep, they're running down towards the other end down there. That first, where the buy station would be, basically, down there. Oh! Let's go! We still got another team on top. Oh, clappity, clapping all over, baby. Oh, come on. All right.
Got out.
Oh. Yep, he's over here on my side. Alright, let's go ahead and get across that, man, before this thing starts really rolling. We got a car inbound. Oh, down one out of the car. Come on, baby. Yeah. Let's go, baby.
Gas is moving in.
Got one, bro. Got one downed up there. One's done. Ah. Got one down on the outside to the right.
I'll find a place.
Yeah, they run it.
Got one broke.
Oh my god, another team, another team.
Where was... Where you at? You inside the building?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh shit, that scared the freaking dang out of me. Got one down on the ground to the left of that opening right there.
open. Located tanks engaging weapons.
All right, I got one down right there. Yeah, there is a fucking way. You suck.
Get Riz, get Riz.
I am. I'm trying to get to him.
There you go. Come on, you want to stay alive? You stay with me.
All right, guys, we got to get up out of this position, yo. Yeah, right here on the wall.
Drop it.
Bro.
Got one down. All right, guys. Awesome Wednesday night. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me. Deputy says that's the spot. Yeah. Man, I appreciate y'all hanging out with me. Make sure that you, if this is your first time, like, follow, share, and subscribe. Check out my TikTok. And, of course, here on YouTube, Facebook, and everywhere else. Twitch, of course. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And, as always, hold them down.